I just shot my 17-week progress photo. I've been taking them in the exact same pair of pants and bra every single week. Guys, you should have seen what this bra looked like when I first started taking them. It was like normal. I don't think I'm gonna be able to continue wearing it for much longer, but I think I want to because it's just hilarious. But yeah, this is flexing my abs and then letting it all go. Flex. Whew, there, now it's letting it all go. Yeah. So anyways, I took that photo, I'm gonna post it today, and now I am gonna go get ready in normal workout clothes that fit to teach, actually I have a client, and then I'm gonna go teach Mom and Babe. Then I'm back home, gonna do my face and shoot. I still haven't changed out of my stupid transformation outfit, but I just posted my photo and like, if you could see my hands, I'm legitimately shaking. Like, I don't know why I'm so nervous to post it. I've never posted a transformation photo before, so I don't know, maybe that's why. I'm feeling so scared and self-conscious right now. I don't know what is wrong with me. It's probably like hormones and things like that, but I don't know, it's just so scary to put your body out there like that. And I don't know, I'm just like freaking out a little that it's out there. Even though like all I do is post photos in sports bras all day long. I don't know why this feels like such a big deal, but hopefully people are nice. Okay, I really have to change and go to my client. It's a good distraction. I ate at 9:30, right, I'm drooling, right before class. And I kind of got hungry, so I have a client at 9:30, then I teach at 11. And I kind of got hungry when like class started, and then I don't know what came over me. It was like, it went from hunger pangs to acid reflux to throwing up all through class. Luckily, my good friend was in class, so she took my timer and she timed, and like, I threw my watch on her every single time I ran to the bathroom, but like that was the worst, most painful class experience ever. I've never felt something like this before. I'm not really trying to complain because I've been so lucky, but like that was brutal. I'm just trying to eat. I'll take some acid reflux and hopefully it goes away really soon. Weird. I'm sure there's a way to figure it out, but it is the most annoying thing ever. Like the most, because.
And there's no remote for them?
No, it's self-timer, it's fine. It's like,
I'll put them down. Okay. Wait, we should switch because that was yours.
How do you remember?
Did I sorry put the eggs on top?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Ew. Where did that come from?
I don't know. So it turns out yesterday ended up being a bit of a write-off after I finished teaching. I was able to shoot something with Jordana of I Heart Nutrition. We're working on a fun partnership together, but I like was in so much pain through that entire video. It was excruciating. Had to get a sub for my class. So I realized that I waited too long to eat. So I had breakfast this morning at like 8 and now it's almost 11 and I was having a quick little thing of cheese and crackers just to hold myself over until lunch because I just don't want to get like hungry and then get those gas pains again. But the Instagram community is so amazing. You guys sent me like a million suggestions, posted a few of them, and the mint tea is what really got rid of my gas pains right away. So I'll probably make mint tea, like start drinking it after my meals. Hopefully that will help, and it's like a little healthy ritual or habit that I can do this winter. I have some stuff to shoot at home today, a couple of campaigns I'm working on. So I hate doing my makeup, especially right now. My skin actually, I'm like not too upset with it. Just like one little active pimple, but it's just really dry because I'm using a lot of products to dry it out. So let me know if you guys want to know about those. Anyways, I'm gonna go put my makeup on right now and figured I would show you what that's like. And yeah, which products I'm using and stuff, because I'm really particular about what I'm using on my face right now for hormonal acne.
sunshine coming our way. This is all that I dream. Come run away with me.
Okay, so you can see that I use very minimal products. I didn't put anything to cover up this pimple because I really don't like putting product directly on it. The only thing I was using was that Bare Minerals loose powder foundation because my friend that I'm working with on my skin, who is a skin specialist, told me that the loose powder foundation is really safe for hormonal acne, and I haven't found any issues with it. So that's really the only like intense layering that I do to cover up the scarring. It does a pretty good job, to be honest. It's just like these little pimples, and guess what? There's always Facetune. I can just smooth out that pimple on Instagram. Ain't no shame in my game. And that is all. All right, gonna go quickly eat something so I don't get gas pains again, and then I am gonna go start taking photos. It's like my least favorite thing to do. I love filming videos. I really don't like taking photos. I kind of suck at them, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Peace. What is this?
Well, eggs and onions with some chili.
I'm on my way to do another workout today. I just feel so good when I work out, and every time I'm doing it, I'm like, why don't I do this more? I just like the energy leading up to it and the mindset I have to get through, but once I'm doing it, I'm loving it. Except that my knee's really hurting me and my round ligament pain's really hurting me. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do in class, but I will figure that out. You enjoy your chili. So I have some free time today. It's Saturday, and I have 3 bananas that are super ripe and ready to be used. So I'm actually gonna be Susie Homemaker and attempt some muffins. Just to preface, I'm like the world's worst baker ever, but I'm kind of combining a few different recipes that I looked up online based on the ingredients that I have at home, and let's just hope that these turn out, because I actually got inspired because I went to the farmer's market today and they had really yummy muffins, and I got a couple. So I got one from me in DC, and he really loves healthy muffins, so I'm gonna make these super healthy for him, and they'll probably be gone, if they're good, shortly after. Right? Mm-hmm. He says, mm-hmm.
All the live long day, all the live long day, I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day. Baby got her shoes on, she wants to move.
Yes.
Looking for trouble, honey, is it you? Feel the world under her feet, all the cracks up in the concrete. Take a step back, she's coming through. Baby looking shady, she's on the run. Maybe just maybe she'll find the sun. me go. Oh, 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 I'm nobody's baby, so oh, 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 a live long day. Oh, oh, you can't catch me, no, oh, 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 you can't let me go. Oh, 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 I'm nobody's baby, so oh, 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 a live long day. All the live long day, all the live long day. I'll be moving along, singing my song, running around, ain't nothing wrong. All the live long day. I said all the live long day.
Oh yeah.
They actually good?
Oh yeah. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Swipe up for more videos. Swipe up. Follow me at Kale and Krunches on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, MySpace. What's the one from The Office?
You have chocolate in your teeth.
No.